Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. We'll explore what Palantir does, its recent performance, key factors influencing its stock, and what the future might hold for investors. About Palantir Technologies. Palantir is a software company founded in 2003 by Peter Thiel, Alex Karp, and others. The company specializes in big data analytics and provides software solutions for data integration, analysis, and visualization. Its platforms are used by government agencies, financial institutions, and other organizations worldwide. Recent performance. Palantir went public via a direct listing in September 2020 with an opening price of $10 per share. Since then, its stock has experienced volatility, reaching highs above $45 and lows below $20. The company has shown strong revenue growth, driven by increased demand for its software products. Key factors influencing PLTR stock. Revenue growth. Palantir has been reporting impressive revenue growth quarter over quarter, driven by expanding contracts with existing clients and acquiring new customers. Government contracts. Palantir's significant contracts with government agencies, including defense and intelligence, can impact its revenue and overall market sentiment. See competitive landscape. Palantir faces competition from both established tech companies and startups in the data analytics space, which could affect its market share and growth trajectory. Investor sentiment. Like many tech stocks, PLTR's performance can be influenced by broader market trends, investor sentiment, and shifts in industry regulations. Analyst outlook. Analyst opinions on Palantir stock vary, with some bullish on its growth potential and others cautious due to valuation concerns. It's essential for investors to consider various perspectives and conduct their own research before making investment decisions. Future outlook. Palantir continues to invest in product development and expanding its customer base across industries. The company's long-term success will depend on its ability to innovate, maintain competitive advantages, and adapt to evolving market demands. Closing shot. Summary of key points with visual of PLTR stock chart conclusion. Palantir Technologies, with its focus on big data analytics and government contracts, presents an intriguing investment opportunity. However, like any investment, it comes with risks and uncertainties. Whether you're bullish or bearish on PLTR, it's crucial to stay informed and make decisions based on thorough research and analysis.